Hello students, you are very welcome in online class. In the last two videos, we have studied about the ratio of areas of two triangles. There were four properties related to it. Let's revise it. पहिल्यांदा आपण त्या प्रॉपर्टीज रिवाइज करू आणि नंतर एक्सरसाइज 1.1 मधले एग्जांपल सोडवून पाहू. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2 if different bases and different heights. If bases and heights were different, then ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of corresponding bases and corresponding heights. Second property was, if bases of these two triangles were same, then this ratio is related to corresponding heights, h1 upon h2. If in these two triangles heights will be same, two triangles are there, both triangles have equal heights, then ratio of these two triangles, ratio of areas of these two triangles is related to corresponding base. And if bases and heights are equal of both the triangles, then their ratio of their areas is equal to 1. That is, area of triangle 1 is equal to area of triangle 2. If bases of two triangles and heights of two triangles are same, then their areas also equal. These four properties we have studied in last two videos. Let's study the examples related to it from exercise 1.1. First example you have given here. Base of triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. It means that there are two triangles. First triangle, second triangle. Base of the first triangle is 9 and height of the first triangle is 5. Base is 9, height is 5 of the first triangle. In another triangle, base is 10. Base is 10 and height is 6. Height is 6. Then find the ratio of their areas. Which property will be applied here out of these four? Different bases and different heights are there in both the triangles. Therefore, first property will be applied. Here we have not given the name of triangle. इथे आपल्याला ट्रायंगलचं नाव सुद्धा दिलेलं नाहीये. म्हणून आपण याला ट्रायंगल 1 मानू. हा ट्रायंगल 1 आणि हा ट्रायंगल 2 मानू. मग हा ट्रायंगल 1 आहे तर याला आपण b1 मानू आणि याला h1. मग आपण काय म्हणूया ठिकाणी, लेट b1 is equal to 9, h1 is equal to 5. In case of the second triangle b2 h2, b2 is equal to 10 and h2 is equal to 6. Then we have to find the ratio of their areas. Now we know that bases and heights are different. Therefore we can use the first formula. Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2. Reason we have to write here, different bases and different heights. And now let's put up the value. B1 is equal to 9 into H1 is equal to 5 upon B2 is equal to 10 into H2 is equal to 6. We can easily solve it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Then remain here 3 into 1 3 and 2 into 2 4. Therefore 3 upon 4. Therefore ratio is, therefore we can say that area of triangle 1 is to area of triangle 2 is equal to 3 is to 4. This is the first example. Now second example. Here in figure, BC is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB. AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is equal to 4. AD is equal to 8. Find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. इथे या दोन्ही ट्रायंगलच्या एरियाचा रेशो काढून दाखवायचा आहे. दोन्ही ट्रायंगल मध्ये जर पाहिलं तर लक्षात येतं आपल्याला की दोन्ही ट्रायंगलचा बेस AB हा कॉमन आहे. म्हणून बेस इक्वल असेल तर रेशो हा हाईटशी संबंधित असतो. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी दुसरा फॉर्म्युला आहे. मग सोडवत असताना आता या ठिकाणी सगळ्या ट्रायंगलची नावं वगैरे दिलेली आहेत. त्यामुळे आपण असं म्हणू BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. We have given it. And now let's solve this example. Now area of triangle ABC हे आपण ट्रायंगलचे नाव वगैरे दिले आहेत म्हणून आपण ट्रायंगलचं नाव लिहितोय. पहिल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये ट्रायंगलचं नाव दिलं नव्हतं म्हणून ट्रायंगल 1 ट्रायंगल 2 मानला जातो. एक लक्षात घ्या. मग आता एरिया ऑफ triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to base of both the triangle is equal or common. Therefore the ratio is related to corresponding heights. Height of the triangle ABC is BC and height of the triangle ADB is AD. We know that AB is the base, BC is the height. BC is the height because BC is perpendicular to AB, and similarly AD is height of that triangle, second triangle. This is our formula. Reason I have to write down because equal bases. This reason is important. Equal bases. Now A is equal to value of BC is 4. Value of AD is 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Therefore, ratio is 1 by 2. That is 1 is to 2. This is our final answer. Third example. In the adjoining figure, आता जरा आकृती व्यवस्थित पहा. Segment PS is perpendicular to segment RQ. PS is perpendicular to RQ. ये RQ किंवा RS, परंतु सेगमेंट ही RQ आहे, बेस आहे आणि PS ही हाईट आहे. म्हणजे ट्रायंगल PQR जो दिसतोय या ट्रायंगलशी संबंधित आहे. Similarly, segment QT is perpendicular to PR. QT आणि PR हे सुद्धा एकमेकांना परपेंडिकुलर आहे. If RQ is equal to 6, RQ is equal to 6. PS is equal to also 6. Length of PS is we have given. Length of PR is equal to 12. PR की length आपल्याला दिलेली आहे. Then find the QT. तर QT तुम्हाला QT ची length काढून दाखवायची. So simple example. We know that here we can easily solve this example. In this example, in triangle PQR, look at the figure properly. Only triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. Therefore, we can say that area of triangle PQR, फक्त ट्रायंगल PQR चा संबंध आहे. PQR, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is the R cube and height is PS. Let's give the equation number 1 to it. याला आपण equation number 1 देऊ. Now, same triangle. In triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR, पुन्हा area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. पहिल्यांदा QR बेस होता तर height PS होती. त्याच ट्रायंगल मध्ये आता ट्रायंगल PQR मध्ये बेस हा PR आहे. हाफ इनटू बेस, बेस कोणता PR, तर हाइट कोणती PR जर बेस असेल ट्रायंगल PQR चा तर हा जर बेस आहे तर ही काय असेल PQ काय असेल हाइट असेल. याला आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 2 देऊ. Look at the figure. Area of triangle PQR is equal to in both the equation LHS is same. LHS जर सारखी आहे तर RHS दोन्ही इक्वेशन ची काय असेल सारखी असेल. म्हणजेच आपण फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 असं म्हणू शकतो. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 हाफ ऑफ LHS दोन्हीची सारखी आहे म्हणून दोघांची RHS सारखी असेल. हाफ इनटू RQ इनटू PS is equal to RHS of the second equation, half into PR into TQ. ठीक है, हाफ हाफ या ठिकाणी कॅन्सल होईल. RQ ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती आहे 6 into PS is equal to also 6 is equal to ते तर हाफ हाफ कॅन्सल झाले. PR is equal to 12 into TQ आपल्याला काढून दाखवायचं आहे. TQ म्हणा किंवा QT. मग आता 6 into 6 is equal to QT as it is. मल्टिप्लिकेशन ला असणार आहे 12, डिवीजन ला येईल 12. आता जरा भाग देऊ. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 3 upon 1 that is 3 is equal to QT. Therefore, length of QT is equal to 3.